Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a BMO US account. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the steps to manage your account effectively. To get started, you need to have a BMO US account, which can be opened online or at a BMO branch. First, you need to enroll in online banking by visiting the BMO website and clicking on the Enroll Now button. You will be asked to provide your account information and create a username and password. Once enrolled, you can log into your account and view your account balance, transaction history, and statements. To make a payment or transfer funds, click on the Payments and Transfers tab. You can choose to pay a bill, transfer funds to another BMO account, or send a wire transfer. You will need to provide the recipient's account information and the amount you want to transfer. You can also use the BMO mobile app to manage your account on the go. The app allows you to check your account balance, transfer funds, and deposit checks remotely. To deposit a check, simply take a picture of the check with your mobile device and follow the prompts. To avoid overdrafts, you can set up low balance alerts and transfer funds from another account. You can also use the BMO budgeting tool to track your spending and stay on top of your finances. Best practices for using a BMO US account include monitoring your account activity regularly, keeping your account information up to date, and using strong passwords and security questions. It is also important to review your account statements and report any discrepancies to BMO immediately. In conclusion, using a BMO US account is straightforward and convenient. By following these steps and best practices, you can manage your account effectively and take advantage of the many features and benefits that BMO offers. Remember to always keep your account information secure and up to date. And do not hesitate to contact BMO customer service if you have any questions or concerns.